Few houseplants can match this. A plant that survives neglect, cleans the air, and still looks stunning. In this video, discover how to make your snake plants grow up to 3 times faster, design a thriving garden of them, and learn which varieties deliver the best results. This is Serving Sansevieria, where plants meet science, style, and smart care. Snake plants, also called Dracaena trifasciata, have earned the title Ultimate Low-Maintenance Houseplant. They thrive where most plants struggle, in low light, dry air, and forgotten corners. They quietly filter toxins like formaldehyde and benzene and release oxygen while you sleep. One of the few plants to do so at night. From the tall golden-edged Laurenti to the silver moonshine, each variety adds structure, calm, and a modern touch to any space. A single shelf or corner filled with them can completely change the atmosphere of a room. Faster growth isn't luck, it's science. Here's what makes the biggest difference. 1. Light. Bright indirect sunlight drives leaf expansion and new shoots. Low light keeps them alive but barely growing. 2. Soil. Use a fast-draining mix with perlite or sand. Snake plants hate sitting in water. 3. Water. Always let the soil dry completely before watering again. Too much moisture. Root rot and stunted growth. 4. Feeding. During spring and summer, use a diluted houseplant fertilizer once a month. A light dose fuels growth. Heavy feeding burns roots. Follow these 4 rules and your snake plants will reward you with richer color, thicker leaves, and faster offshoots. A single snake plant looks elegant, but a garden of them becomes a statement piece. Choose a space with bright filtered light, a windowsill, balcony, or sunlit corner. Combine multiple varieties for depth and contrast. Laurenti for height, moonshine for brightness, Hani for compact rosettes, and cylindrica for sculptural flair. Group taller plants behind smaller ones for layered texture. Keep pots uniform for a clean look or mix styles for an artistic, natural vibe. Together, these plants thrive under the same care routine, making a lush, low-effort display that grows more beautiful with time. Some varieties simply grow faster or adapt better indoors. Top performers include Dracaena Laurenti, the classic golden-striped showstopper. Dracaena Moonshine, silver leaves that glow in bright light. Dracaena Hani, compact and perfect for desks or shelves. Dracaena Cylindrica, the sculptural spear that thrives on neglect. Sansevieria masoniana, whale fin, rare and bold, ideal for collectors. Mixing these types adds contrast and makes your setup look curated, not accidental. Even hardy plants need attention. If growth stalls, check for these common issues: yellow or mushy leaves, overwatering, reduce frequency and improve drainage. Leaning or floppy plants, too little light or a root-bound pot, move to brighter light or repot. Pests, wipe leaves with mild soap spray. Faded color, happens when propagated from a single leaf, divide rhizomes instead. Small adjustments like these can double growth speed and leaf thickness. Snake plants are more than decoration. They're natural air purifiers, mood boosters, and design elements that thrive with minimal effort. With consistent light, smart watering, and a few simple tricks, anyone can build a green, calming space that keeps growing year after year. To keep learning, subscribe to Serving Sansevieria. New plant videos drop every week, covering growth experiments, rare species, and garden design ideas. Hit like if this helped, and join a growing community that believes beautiful spaces start with living plants. How to make snake plants grow 3x faster. The Ultimate Snake Plant Garden Guide.